Hello everyone, welcome to the next lecture on the LaTeX research paper writing. What is the objective of this very short video is that how you can rotate and make a table like of this. You can see this and this tables is not the horizontal or the vertical, but they have some angles are there. So how we can define this table in the LaTeX, that is the objective of this presentation. Myself, Dr. Garg, working in the School of Mathematics, Thapar Institute, India. So what is that? Firstly, you have to construct this table in a horizontal manner, and then we will try to put up a one line so that this table will convert it into the some angles are there. So how you can construct the table? All of you know that you have to start with the beginning table and the end table. How many columns are there? You have to decide. Firstly, there are the three columns. So you have to start with the beginning table. There are the three columns are there. So if there are the four columns, you have to write the four C's are there. What is the meaning of this C are there? The first column is placed in the center. You can see that the values are written in the center. The second column also see, it means the second values are also written in the center. If you put the third as a L, it means the third column will start from the left hand side, and so on. Now you can write the first value, that is a value 1. It is written in the bold side, so you can write as a text BF value 1. It appear as a bold. This ampersand sign will give you the second value. Text BF value 2, text BF value 3. So this ampersand sign will be used for moving to the one column to the another. Now in order to move on the second row, this is the second row, so you have to end the line. So this is the purpose for the ending the line. You have to use alpha, since this is a mathematical term, so you have to use the $alpha, $beta and the gamma. Again the line will be ended, but there is a horizontal line after this gamma is there. So how you define the horizontal line? You can write the line as a H line, so it will appear as this line here. After that, how you define the first row? This is the A, so you have to write A. This is not the mathematical symbol here. This is the fraction, so you have to write a fraction A square upon alpha plus 1. Again, at this line is ending, but there is no horizontal line, so there is no need to write H line. And similarly, you can write the B and C are there. Once you writing this complete table, if you run this one, this table will appear. Now, how you can rotate the table? So you can rotate the table by using this simple line is there. You can use this one, that is a rotate box. This 30 means that's the angle. How much angle you want to rotate them? If you want to rotate 30 degree, you can write like here. And this, since this is a before the begin tabular, so you have to end this curly braces and the table. Look at that. If I just write here 40, if I run the file for you, so you can run the file, the output will be here. If you use them as say my 70, then the output will be like here. If you use them as of the say minus of 30, now it's a negative of 30, so output will be like here. If you use them as say 90, the output will be like here, and many more are there. If you use them as a 0, so there is no angle rotation, so it's a horizontal line. If you use them as a 180, what is the meaning of that? It's a complete opposite of this. You can see that this opposite, and similarly so on. So you can use them as per your convenience and then try to make their own rotated tables. I hope you can enjoy this session also. Till then, best of luck students. Happy learning.